Hello, everybody who wants to look at another investment property. I'm going to take you on a tour of a $710,000 Hazeldean infill right behind me. Hey, everybody. My name's Leanna Martens. Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, this is the last of a 4-part investor series. If you are an out-of-town investor who might be considering buying an investment property in the city of Edmonton, I wanted to take you all through and show you the different styles of Edmonton investment inventory. So this is one of them. The community of Hazeldean is a gentrifying community. So I've used that term before in other videos. What you will see is a lot of infill like this. So another 50-foot frontage lot where there was a tiny little 1950s bungalow was torn down to maximize the revenue potential. So they then built these 2 individual single-family homes. It could have been a residential attached. This is an RF1 lot, so it limits what can be built. And you can only have 2 dwellings per lot. So the single lot split into 2. This one has a basement suite. A couple things to note about this particular property. It's 3 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. So that from an income potential standpoint is fantastic. And the community of Hazeldean is really fantastic because it's right by Mill Creek. So it's close to Mill Creek Ravine. It's close to White Avenue. This is going to be a prime location to rent out. At the end of this video, make sure you stay right until the end so you can find out, is this a good investment opportunity? Because am I going to cash flow? Because that's how you determine whether or not it's a good investment or not. Are you going to make money? Let's get in there. So again, guys, a quick tutorial of legal suites. You can see that there's 2 separate furnaces to accommodate 4 separate heat controls and ventilation. And then you have a natural gas green sticker. This means the city of Edmonton has come in. Check the natural gas. And then we will need another green sticker for... Okay. Normally on the panel door, but the panel door is off. You can see green sticker for acceptable secondary suite. So that's where the panel normally goes. So thanks for coming with me on that tour of this legally suited infill property in Hazeldean. So it's got 3 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down, and it has 5 bathrooms. So it has 2.5 up, and then it has 2 down. So that's actually very unique to have that many bathrooms. Now, don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss any more of my cool content. And if you're considering a relocation, make sure you go to the description and reach out to me and my team. Let's do the math and see if you can cash flow on this property. So this is why these types of custom infills at this price point don't make sense for an investor unless you are planning to live in it. If you're planning to live in it and you might be an executive couple with a university-age child, or if you actually are just wanting to have another suite for an in-law, then it makes sense. But If you're an investor, this one doesn't make sense, and I'll tell you why. So the amount of mortgage on this, let's say that you got it for $690,000. Right now it's priced at $710,000. That might be a little steep, but let's just say you get it for $690,000. Your mortgage is going to be at 20% down, $3,500 a month. Now, when you add property taxes on top of that, your property taxes are going to be roughly $300 a month. On top of that, if you add your home insurance on there, that's actually going to bring you right around the $4,000 mark for overall costs. Now, what are you going to get to rent out the basement? What are you going to get to rent out the upstairs? Your basement, generously, because it's brand new, plus it has 2 baths, 2 beds, and it's close to the university, I'm going to give it $1,150. And then, if you're looking at a main floor rental, I'm going to give $1,850. So you're right at that $3,000 mark. So you're still $1,100 short every month. So if you're looking for a buy and hold that's going to cover itself, this is not the purchase. This is for somebody, whoever it is, that's going to live on the main floor and rent the basement. So I hope that helps educate you. And again, go in the description below to find out more and reach out to me and my team. I will see you in the next video.